How do we build planets? My research aims to help answer this question by gaining more of an understanding of the early solar system using meteorites. Let's go back 4.5 billion years ago to the start of our solar system, in a cloudy protoplanetary disk of gas and dust around a young star, our Sun. Small particles began to collide and stick together, seeing the formation of early planetary embryos known as protoplanets. From collisions between protoplanets, the terrestrial rocky worlds such as the Earth, to the gas giants of Jupiter began to form. However, in this busy and crowded solar system, the lack of space meant that some protoplanets were simply thrown out of our solar system, while others collided with our own sun. Some protoplanets were in collisions, like the one between the Earth and an early moon. We believe the collision would have looked something like the image here. However, some planets weren't as lucky in these collisions and have been destroyed. However, fragments of these protoplanet collisions still remain in the form of meteorites. By looking at a type of meteorite known as an Achondrite meteorite, which can look something like the one here. Achondrites are similar to the rocks we can find on Earth and come from the outer shell of these long dead protoplanets. From this, we can learn a lot about the geological history of these lost worlds. In exploring these lost worlds, we can learn more about them and the earliest period of solar system history by studying the crystals inside these space rocks. There are many questions about how our solar system formed and how the planets came to be the size as they are, but knowing how planets form can not only help tell us things about our own solar system, but also other solar systems and the conditions that led to their formation. My research will use a technique known as an electron backscatter diffraction, which fires an electron beam at a sample, providing an in-depth microscopic image of a rock's crystallography and structure. From this, we can figure out how these rocks formed and what has happened to them since. Therefore, I will be able to reconstruct the protoplanet's geological history and provide answers to a key question in planetary science of how do we build a planet? By understanding these protoplanetary worlds and the processes which occur on them, we can compare them to Earth rocks to produce a more complete picture of the behaviour of rocky worlds in our solar system and beyond. Thank you for listening.